In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use HubSpot Meeting Links. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account and heading to your home dashboard. From there, open Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Calendar. Before we connect anything, here's why this matters. HubSpot Meeting Links let people book time with you without the back-and-forth emails. They pull your real-time availability from your calendar, avoid conflicts automatically, and create calendar events for everyone with the correct details. Click Connect Your Calendar. You'll see options for different providers. In this example, I'll choose Google, but pick the provider you actually use. Click Connect Your Calendar again to begin the authorization. When prompted, accept the permissions. HubSpot needs access to read your availability and create events on your behalf, which is what makes the meeting link seamless. Choose the correct account to connect. Ideally, your work calendar linked to your CRM contacts. Using the right account ensures invites and availability are accurate. Click Continue, and then Continue again to finalize. Once confirmed, your calendar is connected and ready, so HubSpot can now check conflicts and add meetings automatically. Now let's build the meeting link. Go to Sales and open the Meetings Scheduler. Click Create Scheduling Page. You'll see different meeting types. For this walkthrough, select Group. Group links are great when you want invitees to pick a time that works for multiple team members at once. Enter an internal name. This label is only for you and your team, so make it clear and consistent for reporting and organization. Add an event title next. This is what your invitees will see on the booking page and the calendar invitation. Set the meeting location. Choose a video link, phone, or a physical address. If it's virtual, include concise joining instructions. Add a short description if you need to set expectations or share an agenda. Click Next to continue. Choose the team members who should be part of this meeting. HubSpot will look at everyone's calendars and only offer times that work for all selected hosts. Click Next again. Set when the meeting can be booked. Adjust your available days and hours and double-check your time zone. This is also a good moment to confirm the meeting duration. Add buffers and set a minimum notice period so people can't book you at the last minute. When you're happy, click Create Scheduling Page. You're done. Your group meeting link is ready to share. You can now return to your HubSpot home screen. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe for more.